So most people solve this question like 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2, right? Then again 8 minus 10 is equal to also minus 2. Now minus 2 times minus 2 is equal to 4, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So now 8 minus 10 multiply. Now solve this parenthesis. 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2, right? So now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So 8, now minus 2 times minus 10 is equal to plus 200, right? So 8 plus 200 is equal, sorry, 10 minus 2 is equal to plus 20, right? Now 8 plus 20 is equal to 28. So the correct answer is 28, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.